waited because first 40 minutes is part 1, second one is part 2, and third one is part 3. Okay. Now, different types of lines. Okay. After this, again, what you have to do? Create one box. It should be very decent, Amma. And these lines you have to draw by 2H pencil. These lines, but writing should be by how many pencils you have?
HB pencil.
HB pencil. Writing should be by HB. This is box I created. You see, this is the box. Here again, I will measure 10. How much length? It is depends on you people. You can decide how much length you want. You can take that much length. That is depends on. I will tell that all those things. Now you see. There are 3 partitions I want. Type. So what I will do for type, I will take this much of length. Then line, I will take this much of length. And for this, I will take somewhat big distance. Out of this 10, what I will do, I will leave top to bottom 2. Left out is how much? Top to bottom 2. How much? How much left?
8 mm.
Calculation వచ్చేస్తుందా? Mathematics చేసావా? Top 2, bottom 2. 10 దగ్గర 2 minus 2 అంతే. How much?
6.
10 అని చెప్తున్నావు. Again, you have to draw parallel lines. Careful చేయాలి. These things should be required hell of patience. Be careful regarding that. When I told that I will do, because we are virtual. That's why I felt that I will do realistic figure. Same thing I expect in your all drawing sheets. Here, first type. Again, it is capital letters. What is the height of this, Amma? What is the
6
height?
mm.
Mm. See, title should be big. Subtitle should be small. See, 6. Then this is line. And preferably write centrally. And this, you can write application or users. See, this is application or users. There are 3 types. First, A, capital A. Write this continuous thick line. Getting my point? Kinda kavalante rayandi. You can write this in small letter. Continuous thick. It is only for your reference. Then, or continuous thick. After this, how to write here? Here you have to draw again lines. Keep 5 mm or some gap. Again, second line. Some 2 mm gap. Again, 5 mm. See what you have to write here. Visible outlines. VISI. Visible edges. Etc. Getting my point? First, I taken 5 mm. I not measured. It is just 5 mm. Then visible outline. What is the applications? What is the use? Where we are using continuous thick? We are using for visible outlines, visible edges, etc. Two examples applications. If you written, it is more doubts. Shall I go for second? I am talking to you people. Shall I wait?
So once again say this A point again.
Aim ledama. This is the type A because it is divided A, B, C, D varieties. So type A will always a continuous thick line. Continuous thick line. And where we are using? We are using for visible outlines, visible edges, because in last class, before concluding what I told, engineering drawing is a universal language of engineers. Can you remember? Engineering drawing
Sir, voice is breaking.
is a universal language of engineers. What do you mean by universal? What do you mean by universal? Now it is audible? Now it is
Breaking, sir.
audible. Okay. What do you mean by universal?
Which is accepted by everyone.
Acceptable globally, universal, whole world. Whether you know American language of Germany, Japan, any language, whether you know Telugu, Marathi, Kannada, none of our business. But this engineering drawing is a universally accepted language. So that's why it is not bounded with any languages. That's why engineering drawing is globally used, universally used. Then we should have universal common factors. I cannot draw my wish. I have to follow the guidelines. That's why we have specifications. These all are specifications which will define which type of line, where we have to use, why we have to use, what is the reason behind that. These things we will able to get clarity. Yes, agree?
Yes.
Right. Now, this is first. Next, B. See how it differs. B line. It is thick, but not continuous somehow. You have to give gap. See, it is thick, but not continuous. It is having gap, 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 and gap should be equal. Jagratam, what I am telling, ishtam vachinapple cheyadu. I always give touch. While I am drawing, listen carefully, observe it. If you do something wrong, we will simply strike off it. That's why we are taking a lot of hell of pain to draw realistic figure. I asked you people to have recordings wherever you want to share. You can share in your groups while doing, follow my instructions. Don't, because we are virtually, I cannot help you
Breaking.
people
Your voice is not clear, sir.
directly one by one to take recording, follow some, you have to submit. Not clear. Now it is.
It's breaking, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now that problem is sorted out. Okay. Now, so it is not continuous, but it is thick. The gap should be very decently maintained, equidistance. Where we are using this type of line, see, again, keep some gap, draw two parallel lines of 5 mm gap. Again, after that, keep one small gap. Again, 5 mm. See,
Sir,
means
picture is not clear, sir.
I will make zoom, amma. Picture, I will make it zoom. Don't worry about that. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Because what will happen, amma? Otherwise, this portion cannot be covered. You are getting my, I have that provision in my hand, but you people has to first note down this. Then I have to slide my paper. Okay. Wherever you have difficulties, you please tell me. I will try to resolve it. Except network issue, I can help you in all regards. Is it noted down? Shall I move
Sir,
towards
Yes,
that?
sir.
Sir, uses we have to write in the size of 5 mm.
5 mm, amma. But don't write anywhere 5 mm. Yes, 5 mm only. You see that title 10. After that subtitle.
6.
Can you observe book? Can you observe book, amma? Book first title is very dark. After that,
Yes, sir.
subtitle is bold. Again, remaining letters are in normal size. Can you observe that?
Yes, sir.
That is the streamline we are using. This is the title. This is the subtitle. These are the contents. Contents we are writing in same methodology. But
In drawing
everything
sheet
should be,
also same measurements, no, sir?
yeah, that is preferred. That's why I'm telling, I'm making it clear, but I'm not writing because somebody may use 12 mm, somebody may use 8, 6, 4. It depends. So that's why.
We
but
can use dark
streamline
and
form-
light, sir. Dark and light pencils for
This
heading
is
and this.
which one? No, heading is HB pencil, and drawing all lines should be 2H pencil. You see,
Okay,
it is
sir.
all are as light as possible.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Now, where we are using, this is used for hidden outlines, hidden edges, etc. This is used for hidden outlines, hidden edges, etc. Or once you finish,
Yes, sir.
somebody has to respond, amma.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now again, see how to draw that light. It should be light. Dot, line, dot, line, dot, line. Getting my point? Jagratam చూసుకోండి. How I drawn? Line, some space, dot, again space, line, dot. Where do you use this type of line, amma? Anytime you use it in your past endeavor?
Yes, sir.
Where? Where?
Types of roads, I think, sir.
No, amma. You use it for center line. Center line, we will use this type of things. Now, I won't write in capital letters, but you have to write in capital letters. Getting my point? I only given examples that everything I want in capital, but now I will write in normal way. But you have to write in.
Capital.
Capital A. Sir, you only wrote 2. No, this is only to show you how you have to proceed until end. This is used for center line. If you are not understanding spelling, you tell me. Center, CNTRE, center line, line of symmetry, etc. Line of symmetry, 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 etc. This type of lines we are using for but you have to write in capitals. I'm not writing now. Only first two examples I shown. Center line, line of symmetry. Next. D. C. Can you observe what is the difference between this line and this line, Amma?
Light.
Dark and
Dark
thick.
light.
The first line is
Dark
darker,
line.
second line is lighter.
Continuous thick. It is continuous thin. Thin means light. Jagratam, Amma. Same pencil I used, but if I apply minimum pressure, it should be light. If I apply more pressure, it is dark. These two lines are dark, but these two lines are thin. Observe, chesi, don't do all are same. It is continuous thin. Shall I write its uses? Dimension line. Projection line. Leader line. Border line. Imaginary line. Etc. See that dimension line, projection line, leader line, border line, imaginary line, etc. You may say, sir, you wrote only first two examples. Why you wrote? I want to tell. In drawing sheet, you write any two and etc. No problem. Remaining only for your knowledge. In drawing sheet, you can write two with capital letters, then etc means etc. We have so many applications, but only to tell that yes, we have a number of applications, but any two applications we will write, then we will represent etc. Any doubts? Please note down in your note. Yes. Yes.
Sir, D uses once again says.
Dimension line, projection line, PROJECTION, projection line, leader line, border line, imaginary line, etc. E. See, carefully observe, Chandy, especially the drawing applications. You see this. This is dark dot light dot light dot light dot dark. Idea vachinda? What you understand? It is just like a chain line or center line. Only borders are dark. This is thick. This is thin. And this is thick. Thick only first, then dot, space, dot, line, space, dot, line, space, and border is again thick. This type of lines we are using for cutting plane line, section plane, etc. Cutting plane line, section plane, etc. Jagratam, figure has to be noted down neatly. Thick dot, space, light line, dot, space, light line, dot, space, light line. Again at end, thick.
Sir, once repeat uses, sir.
Cutting plane, cutting, CUTTING, cutting plane line, comma, section plane line, etc. Section plane, if you write, that is also enough. Cutting plane, section plane, etc. Next, F. Simple. కనపడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
See, simple line, freehand sketch, no scale. It should be freehand sketch. Shall I write its application? Short break line, irregular line, irregular boundary line, etc. Short break line, comma, irregular boundary line. Can you give one example of this? Anytime you purchase cloth, amma, cloth purchase chesara, cloth,
Yes, sir.
cloth shopping vellara. How he will cut, amma? Length is very long. It may be 100 meter, 200 meter, 500 meter. Roll is there. How he will cut? He will keep scissor and simply he will tear off. Can you observe?
Sir.
Whether it is a straight line or it is a irregular line, amma?
Irregular, sir.
Irregular. That is an example. Amma. Paper, when you tear off, it is irregular line, amma. It look like this, up and down, up and down, up and down. Chusara? Ledante one paper cut cheyandi. Freehand sketch. So that is irregular line. Okay. Last one. Ikkada space ledu. I am writing on this side. G. Jagratam chudandi. This line, vertical, inclined, vertical, this, vertical, inclined, vertical, this. See carefully. Line, vertical, inclined, again vertical. Line, inclined, vertical. Small n chusara. N ante a line ninche kottali. This application is for long break line. It is for long break line. Can anyone give me example?
Heartbeat, sir. While
Heartbeat.
measuring heartbeat.
Pulse. Pulse.
Ledamma, heartbeat is like this, amma. It is not in a one streamline. It is like this, amma. It is uneven, but it is straight line. This type of lines we are using for, if I want to measure 100 kilometer, can I measure on piece of paper? Can I measure it on your drawing sheet, 100 kilometer?
No, sir. No, sir.
I have to convert this into scale. How to? 10 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. So I will write here in between, I will cut, I will write 100 kilometer. Means this stretch I am showing, this total distance is 100 kilometer, but I taken only how much? How much I taken? How much? How much I taken? How much I taken? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means how many mm? 100 mm. For that also you need, we can measure 100 mm on our drawing sheet.
Yes, sir.
What we are representing? 100 kilometers. So for long break line, which cannot be transferred on that, we will convert that into scaling factor, and that scaling factor we are transferring. That is we use. Any doubts up to here? This is the first title box. Different types of line in sheet number 1. This is the first box. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. Shall I go for next?
Yes, sir.
Notebook. I will ask end of the class. Next big topic is dimensioning practice. Next one is, again you have to write in capital letters. That again 10 mm box.
So same sheet, sir.
Same sheet. Everything is on single sheet until I tell sheet number 2. All contents will be related in sheet number 1 only. Be careful regarding that. Dimensioning practice. Dimensioning practice. Right. See. Shall I draw freehand sketch or shall I draw? I will draw freehand sketch, but I will write dimension. Here in your notebook, you write freehand sketch, but same dimension you have to transfer in your drawing sheet. Getting my point? Same dimensions you have to transfer in your drawing sheet. That is must. But here I will draw. See, first I will draw axis line. Agree? I already shown center line. చూపించానా లేదా?
Yes, sir.
Same line. Line dot line dot line dot line. Because here I need big, so that's why I taken big lines and again gap. Right. From here. This is the object. This is object. Now, Jagrata. Dimension line should not touch object. Object means koncham somewhat far away you have to draw, but these two are parallel to each other. Draw using scale. Arrow mark petali. 75. This is 35. This is 55. Visible? I am talking to you.
Yes, sir. We
Whether-
wrote.
Yes, sir.
Draw it first. Why I will wait means I will wait for you people to draw it. Similarly, same thing in your white notebook. And these all figures should be there in sheet number 1. That is must. Any figure I will draw. Everything should, if it is not required, then I will say this is for your knowledge based. But if I won't say anything, then it means everything should be displayed in your drawing sheet. Once you finish it, I will explain. This figure is over.
Yes, sir.
Listen. Can you tell me? Here I wrote 75, 35, 55. But here I wrote 30, 20, 65. Any difference somehow? Any difference? What it represent? What it
Yes, sir.
represent? What is
5
that
means
represent?
it is in the round shape.
Very good answer. Very good answer. Phi is a remark of dia, or you can say radius. But always phi represent dia only. Dia means circular objects. Careful observe and amma. That is important. Phi representation. What he told, it is 70 dia means its radius is 35 up, 35 down. It is a circular object. Its length is 30. Dia is 70. Length is 30. Length always represent without any obligations. This is 30 dia. Means 15 above, 15 below. 50 dia, 25 above, 25 below. It's represent 20. Its width is 20. Length. And total length. What is the length of this object, Amma?
50.
How
15, sir.
much? 15.
15.
Mathematics shall Rawat. Total length is 65. Out of is 30 minus 20 minus. So left out is 15 only. He not given directly. So this is the way he will give information. He will provide all information, but all information will be in different format. You have to read, analyze, and understand. Idu figure draw chair. Okay. Then what is this sum? Here I intentionally not given. It is also 5. You take any 5. You take this as 25. This you take 40. 5 means it is also circular object. It is. What is this projection line? Can anyone tell me? What is the difference between these two figures, Amma?
2D and 3D.
All are 2D, no 3D. 3D means x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Here we have only 2 dimension. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Length is also I not given. You write length. What is that? This is 30. This is 20. Yes, tell me, what is that? What is the difference between these two figures? Yes, anyone? Okay, I will ask one example. You people know at any time my session may wind up. I will just take attendance.